Solve the given equations. 2x square minus 13 is equal to minus 15 upon x square. So bringing the right hand side on the left hand side, we will have 2x square plus 15 upon x square minus 13 is equal to 0. Now, if we put x square is equal to y, we will have the equation as 2y plus 15 upon y minus 13 is equal to 0. Now, if we multiply throughout by y, we will get 2y square plus 15 minus 13y is equal to 0. Rearranging it, we will get 2y square minus 13y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now, comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13, and c is equal to 15. So AC, we get 15 twos are 30. Now we have to factorize 30 in such a way that the addition of factors becomes minus 13. So there is only one way of getting minus 13 as addition of factors, by doing minus 10 and minus 3 as the factors. So that's how we will split the middle terms. So we will have 2y square minus 10y minus 3y plus 15 is equal to 0. So taking 2y common, we have here y minus 5. Taking minus 3 common, we again have y minus 5 as a bracket is equal to 0. So therefore, 2y minus 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore, we have y is equal to 3 by 2 or y is equal to 5. But y is equal to x square. So therefore, we will equate these values with x square. So therefore, x square is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore, we can say x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 by 2, or x square is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus root 5. So these are the possible roots.